Chinese consumers lining up for the latest iPhone, while top-of-the-range sports cars are increasingly common on the streets of large Chinese cities. This kind of consumption is relatively new, and it's changing the balance of China's economy.
I estimate that because of the developments in this year's various innovative industries and the current service industry, consumers might contribute close to or surpass 60% of our economic growth.
Chinese consumer confidence is the highest it's ever been. Both foreign and domestic car manufacturers are reporting higher sales, though growth is slowing. And disposable income is rising faster than economic output. Even so, China remains the world's factory for Western consumers. The tariffs will make targeted products more expensive to export. But while exports still outweigh imports, growth is slowing down. In January 2010, Chinese government figures show they were growing by more than 20%. In the same month last year, they grew by just under 8%. If Chinese exporters suffer in a trade war, so will U.S. consumers.
You can't gain from imposing tariffs. It's almost impossible. Consumers will pay a lot more.
A reminder that even if China didn't respond with retaliatory tariffs, both sides stand to lose. Owen Fairclough, CGTN.